The non-advent source feature today that is now a skin, the Wyvern. Here I will show you little ways of how to survive as one of these guys. It's kinda hard. In Dinosaur Simulator, there's a code for this wyvern. Not very strong, you see. I shall try and face up against whatever this is. I'm pretty sure it's some type of raptor. Okay, I'm not gonna face up against it because I'm probably gonna lose. He thought he was gonna lose. It was probably gonna be me though. That is a loud roar. Just watch until the end of the video and I'll tell you the code for this, so stay tuned. Also, most videos I upload most likely won't have an intro, because sometimes I get bored and just do one at them. Hashtag lazy. Hello! Three, two, three, two, one, no killer bomb! My favorite animation is the idle animation, just because of its style. Sorry for the animation, right? Just kidding. What is this gonna be, a main video or something? I don't know. Come here, little snack. believe this used to be an Advensaurus. Basically a dinosaur or something. Only developers could play. The code is the username of the person the username on Roblox who used this Advensaur. It is almost the end of the vid, so stay tuned. It's Wyvern Elder. By the way, you probably can't hear this, but okay. You can just skip to the end of the video the wrong way. Actually, I think I might end it early. 80% adult. Also, once I get 2 giant albino baryonyxes, I will do a giveaway, because I want to have one and keep one. So I'm doing one giveaway if I even get 2 albino baryonyxes. The video is almost over. That means the code will be coming up within 2 more percent. As you can see, it's down here. Hold on. Hold on a second. Alright. Guess where the Wyvern is? Dang it, Fog, why'd you have to go away at that very time? Ugh. That means this code is now fully in public to this video. You probably already know me because I can't try something, but here it goes. This is a code! Wait a second. And I think I'm pretty sure it expired.